As students, we have noticed a pattern in complaints among us. When midterms and partial projects are around the corner, we all start checking what's the value of our activities. It's almost 100% of the time we complain about how absurd the value of some activities is. In some subjects like math, activities are given out daily, and the amount of time and effort we put into them does not match their value, which fluctuates between 8 to 10% of a partial, while on the other hand, a single quiz can be worth up to 15% of a whole partial grade. Problem by now is that some activities have an absurd amount of importance in our grades, and we have gone deeper into the problem as to see why is this. Well, why is it that some activities have an absurd amount of priority? Well, it's because teachers give more priority to other topics or other activities. Why is this? Well, they say it's because the amount of effort needed for different activities is different. And why is this? Well, teachers claim that the difficulty levels between activities and exams is different. But why does this happen? Aren't we supposed to put the same amount of effort into every single activity and project we do for our grade? Sometimes it seems that the teachers send us too much homework and activities and projects, but the amount of effort put into it is simply not proportional to its value. Why is it that an enormous amount of homework is not beneficial for us? Well, it's very simple. It's because we spend too much time on it while not getting back in grade. Now that we've seen that this is an actual problem happening to all of us, we have ideated a solution for this problem. Our solution is to rethink the prioritization of activities and recheck the congruency, effort, and grade. Now, how do we plan to do this? Well, we plan on picking relative representatives of the student population to actually have a sample that this is a problem that's happened to everyone and it's not just something a pair of students invented. The next step would be to dialogue with school administrators and propose rethinking the grading system. They should either change it to either more work and add value to these activities that take more effort, or less work, less effort, and less value for it, therefore helping us to keep our grades good. We firmly believe that outside of actually changing the grading system, this will also be beneficial to the amount of information we actually retain, the amount of stuff we actually learn. Because just repeating the same thing over and over again during a partial does not mean that we are going to actually learn and remember all that information after the partial goes on, not only in math, but also in every single subject we have in our program.